Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a jacket. First, identify the specific issue, whether it's a separated track, a missing tooth, or a stuck slider. Next, gather your tools. You might need pliers, a new slider, or a needle and thread. Finally, ensure the zipper teeth are clean, as dirt can often cause problems. Let's get started on these simple fixes. A common issue is a separated zipper track. To fix this, carefully use a pair of needle nose pliers to gently realign any bent teeth. Work slowly, ensuring each tooth is straight and properly spaced. If several teeth are missing, a full zipper replacement might be the best long-term solution. A little lubricant can also work wonders for smooth operation. If your zipper slider is broken or missing, replacing it is often straightforward. First, you'll need to remove the old slider, which usually involves carefully prying open the metal stopper at one end of the zipper. Then, slide the new slider onto the zipper teeth, making sure it's oriented correctly. Finally, secure it by crimping a new stopper or sewing a sturdy one in place. To keep your zippers working perfectly, regular maintenance is key. Clean them often with a small brush and a bit of mild soap to remove any dirt or lint. Periodically apply a wax-based lubricant or graphite to ensure the slider moves effortlessly. Remember to always zip up your jackets completely before washing them. This simple step can prevent many common zipper problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.